Hi, welcome to What Can I Buy With, the show where we tour some of the best properties on the market. I'm your host, Jesus Vidal, real estate agent at Real Broker, and today I'm showing you what you can buy with $599,000. Unit 202 is a one-bed, one-bath condo with over 700 square feet of modern luxury. Featuring hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, stone countertops, luxurious marble and stone bathroom, featuring Kohler fixtures and European-style vanities. The open layout and large windows with southern exposure provide the home with tons of natural light. Nestled in the heart of Queens, Forest Hills is a beautiful, mostly residential neighborhood with endless shopping, eateries, and many other everyday necessities. This one-bed, one-bath condo has every amenity imaginable. Do you want to host a Super Bowl party? Well, you have a cinema with a full kitchen for that. Have you had a long, stressful week? Well, how about you decompress in the sauna and then spend 30 minutes in the massage room? All this without leaving the comfort of your building. You have a 24-hour doorman and concierge. You have an outdoor patio and garden. You have a complimentary shuttle service that takes you to express trains every 20 minutes. 15 minutes from the city, 25 if you take the bus in front of the building. This is what you can buy in Forest Hills with $599,000. So what does that mean in terms of monthly overhead? Let's look at the numbers. If you put a 10% down payment, your mortgage comes to a little over $2,700 a month. Insurance, a little over $200. Anytime you put less than a 20% down payment, you have to pay a private mortgage insurance. In this case, it comes to a $265 a month. Common charges, $499. And tax, thanks to a tax abatement good till 2025, is just $32. Totaling a little over $3,700 a month. If you put a 20% down payment, your mortgage comes to a little over $2,400. Insurance stays the same at a little over $200. No need for private mortgage insurance. Common charges stay at $499, and taxes also stay at $32 for just under $3,200 a month. That's it for this episode of What Can I Buy With? Look out for the next episode as we'll continue to feature different neighborhoods throughout the city, as well as different types of homes and price ranges, helping you navigate the New York City real estate market. See you next time.